Anyway,
I think the negotiated process and the proposals that are coming out in Parliament will anchor the legal process. Because any process that kicks out the IBC will have to be a legal process. Even where we are talking about negotiating an exit, it will have to be anchored in law in terms of calculating the dues. But I think here there is a greater credibility issue, not necessarily in the persons, but in the institutions. I can tell you without doubt that there are some of those people in the IEBC who are extremely distraught with what is happening, because they are men and women who have been distinguished in terms of public service. They have served this country so diligently in various positions. You know, Yusuf Nzibo, former ambassador, former KRA general, commissioner general, many other issues, many other positions that he's held. Hardly, you know, his name is not propped up in any of these allegations that are so being mentioned. Engineer Sharawi being another person. So I think we need also to protect, to be a bit fair in terms of safeguarding the integrity of some of these individuals who have not necessarily had any particular allegations that have been tied to them directly, but we're just saying that the institution of the IBC needs to be reconstituted. You know, also we have to be people who demand fairness, because we don't want also blanket condemnation of a group of people who some probably is unfortunate. I remember I myself was a commissioner. There was a point at which the deputy president and part of his support base went ballistics on us, you know, saying that we must resign, we must be prosecuted for things that I know deep in my conscience that we had no party to. So I think in terms of also part of these allegations where we are condemning people unheard, we need to also navigate the delicate terrain of presumption of innocence, which is a very fundamental ideal of our Constitution. So as we negotiate that terrain, then we can have a dialogue and say, okay, IBC, it's an issue about public and national interest that has demanded that you leave, you exit. But there are men and women there who have done extraordinarily well in terms of their careers in public service. And I want to flag out Engineer Sharawi and Ambassador Zibo.
So based